If you want to understand market strength and see how many positions are active in futures or derivatives, then open interest is a very useful tool. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to view open interest on TradingView in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open TradingView and log in to your account. Then, open the chart of the asset you want to analyze. Keep in mind that open interest is mostly available for futures and some crypto derivatives, so make sure you're using the correct symbol. For example, instead of a regular stock chart, choose a futures contract or a crypto perpetual contract. Once your chart is open, go to the Indicators section at the top of the screen. Click on it and search for Open Interest. You'll usually find a built-in indicator or community scripts related to open interest. Select the one labeled Open Interest or something similar. After adding the indicator, it will appear below your price chart as a separate graph. This graph shows how open interest changes over time. When the line goes up, it means more positions are being opened in the market. When the line goes down, it means traders are closing their positions. Now, let's understand how to read it in a simple way. If both price and open interest are increasing, it usually means a strong trend with new money entering the market. If price is rising but open interest is falling, it may indicate that the trend is weak or nearing a reversal. Similarly, if both price and open interest are falling, it can show a strong downward trend. You can also customize the indicator settings. Click on the settings icon of the indicator to adjust colors, style, or time frame according to your preference. If you don't see open interest data, it could be due to your selected asset or exchange. Not all assets provide this data on TradingView. In some cases, you may need a premium plan or choose a different data source. So, in simple words, to view open interest on TradingView, open a futures chart, go to Indicators, add open interest, and analyze how it moves with price. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple trading tutorials. See you in the next video.